Effective home remedies for stretch marks. I tried a lot to get rid of stretch marks. I have consulted many doctors about this problem, but I don't found any change. Stretch marks, also called as stry, happen when my skin rapidly changes growth or weight gain. I was happy that they are not a sign that anything is wrong with my health. Both men and women can get stretch marks, but stretch marks are very unsightly, can ruin the entire look of me when I like to wear sleeveless top and knee-length dress, which I would like for ages. These ugly scars usually can be seen on abdomen, thighs and upper arms. When the skin stretches, the skin's collagen becomes weak and causes formation of fine lines on the topmost layers of the skin. Initially, stretch marks are red or pink in color. With time, a silver thin line occurs on surface of skin, which causes stretch marks. Causes of stretch marks. Pregnancy. Most women develop stretch marks during pregnancy as the fiber in the skin becomes soft and stretch, making room for developing baby. As baby grows, stretch marks appear on tummy, thighs and breasts due to continual stretching. Puberty. During puberty, youngsters experience sudden growth spurt and might rapidly gain or lose weight. This sudden growth and contracting of skin leads to stretch marks on hips, thighs, etc. Genetics. If your parents have stretch marks, then you are most likely to have them. Finally, I got some solution from my mother in a natural way, but it helped me amazingly. I didn't believe in myself. Now I want to share with you those effective home remedies for stretch marks. Cocoa butter for stretch marks. The use of cocoa butter helps to reduce stretch marks and after pregnancy can disappear completely. Try to do this remedy in night time and massage it well into the skin, and after some days you will find the difference in reducing stretch marks. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera promotes to regenerate skin tissue and as such it has miraculous healing properties. Use fresh gel rather than gel available in market. Rub aloe vera gel on your skin and leave for 15 minutes and wash it off using lukewarm water. Apply on affected areas regularly for better result. Potato juice. Potato contains starch and other skin lightening enzymes that makes the reason often used to lighten dark circles, spots and blemishes from the skin. It also helps to bleach the skin and effectively reduces the visibility of stretch marks when applied regularly. Castor oil. Apply castor oil directly on the stretch marks and massage it in a circular motion for 15 to 20 minutes. After massaging, cover the area with thin cloth and apply some heat using heating pad. Repeat this process until you find better results. Conclusion. By following above home remedies, you can get rid of any kind of stretch marks within few months. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.
Are you really looking for a clear glowing skin? Are you tired of treating pimples and acne? Don't worry. For every skin problem, there is a solution. Yes, these beauty recipes take only about 5 minutes of your time and uses natural ingredients which are readily available at your home. Many people suffering from pimple, dark acne, mostly these happens due to increment in melanin production, high UV rays, skin damage and lack of maintenance. Without taking much time and efforts, let's start it. Through this video, I will tell you 2 remedies to get clear skin, glowing skin and spotless skin. Remedy 1. For this we need cucumber. Take a cucumber, peel it and blend it well to extract juice from it. Next we need rice flour. To prepare this pack, let's take a bowl and add a tablespoon of rice flour and 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice. Now mix it well. Cucumber juice contains vitamin C and caffeic acid which fight to reduce inflamed or irritated skin and helps to get rid of suntan, pigmentation, and it is made of 96% water, which helps our skin hydrated. Cucumber contains silica, which helps our dark spots to be lightened, and it helps to reduce dark circles and eye bags also. Here we used rice flour also, which helps our skin to lighter and brighter. It also contains PABA, which means para-aminobenzoic acid, and floric acid. These works as an anti-inflammatory agent. It protects our skin from suntan pigmentations. And vitamin B helps to generate new cells in our body and slow down our aging process. If you use this every day, definitely you will get a lighter and brighter skin. You can apply this paste on your face and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you can wash your face with normal water. Now, second remedy. For this remedy, we need lemon, gram flour, curd. To prepare this, let's take a bowl and add a spoon of gram flour, 1 spoon curd and 2 spoons lemon juice and mix it well. Lemon contains vitamin C, citric acid, which can help our skin to get rid from pigmentations, dark spots, scars, blemishes. And it gives us a beautiful and shiny face. Curd helps us to cure sunburn, suntan and keeps us wrinkle-free. Gram flour contains antibacterial and antibiotic properties, which gives natural glow to our face. And it works as a natural bleaching agent to remove dark spots, and it gives you soft and shiny skin. Now apply this mask on your face and let it dry for few minutes. After it dries, wash your face with normal water. You can feel the difference in your first use, and you can apply this mask every 2 to 3 times in a week. This is the best remedy to get rid from pigmentations, pimples and wrinkles also. This remedy will help you to get a smooth, shiny and pimple-free face. So friends, must try this remedy at your home and let me tell your experience through comment box.